Kovacic and Trossard. Now, to me, Trossard is extremely interesting because he can play 4 positions. This card is very interesting to me. The reactions are low, but other than that, it's a very solid card. Does he have outside foot? He does. That's a nice card, man. Kovacic, I think, is very average. I think there's a lot of other cards like this. I don't know what it's requiring. I feel like showdowns are always overpriced, though. No, that's not bad. 83, 84 is not bad. 82, 84. Yeah, that's not bad. Starts in 9 days. 9 days. So I wonder what's going to be on Friday. Icons Team 2 this Friday. Oh, right. So why did they put a loading screen 10 days away? Wait, you can play 60 games a day? Isn't that worse, bro? Nah, that's got to be worse, right? Are you guys actually serious? Isn't that worse? Actually, guys, that's so many games. Honestly, if you're still complaining, you probably have a problem. But, oh, no, that is kind of annoying, though, man, because 10 an hour? No, that's worse. That was a rare L take for me. This is worse. This is actually worse because I'm going to explain why. More people are going to get banned. Before, you could have done you could have done 240 in a day if you really were grinding, which is crazy, but if you at least were, like, sitting around and you were doing this for 8 hours, you could play 80. This is better. No, it's not. Well, actually, you could look at it like, okay, I've only got 3 hours. Let me grind this out instead of waiting 10 per hour. Yeah. For those people that actually have jobs, this is probably better for you. For all the other unemployed people in the chat that are sitting there from 1 a.m. to 1 a.m., this is way worse for you. And I actually feel really bad for you guys because I know you guys are trying to get your swaps done. To those people, it's very bad. But to the people that are employed, GG's, man. This is good for you guys. You guys can, like, in a 2-3 hour sitting, just bang it out and don't have to wait. So, depends how you look at it, you know? I think the issue with this is that a lot more people are going to get banned because there's not a limit now. And then you're going to get banned for like 13 hours. You need 64 wins to get a set of 8, which means multiple days. Reading through the tea leaves here. But I think they realized 90 Vieira in November is going to hurt the power curve. Yeah, whoever is winning 48 out of 60 has Mbappe, Aloeron, and Lucio. Other than that, which is most of us that are in the other section here, we're all